What is up, guys? We're back with... Oh, hold on. Give me a second. Might be loud. Okay. What is up, guys? Today, I thought of a game that I haven't played in years. This game is Among Us. Now, okay, dude. Scare. Okay. I haven't played this game in over 2 years. That did not mean to happen. I thought, you know what, let's play it. Let's see how good I am. I used to be cracked at this game. Probably not a good thing. Alright! Okay! Before I started this, I'll take Gray. Before I started this, I put my name on as my name because... But no! Because it's my name. No! I want an egg. Alright, I'm ready. Oh my god. Okay. I wonder what I am going to be. Aww. I look so happy. Look at me. Look at him. Okay, I'm going, what's my test? Electrical, so I don't have anything in navigation. Storage? Bro, I suck. Oh, yep, admin. Supper. Oh my god. I bet you it happened right. Baby! I bet you it's Mama DeBurr. Which I think also. I want to vote him. I'm going to vote him. Purple, come watch. We're not going to look at the purple's name. It's a little inappropriate. Okay, play the clip. Okay, we're all probably thinking what to say. These nuts. All right, I'm done. Okay, I gotta do my tasks. Can I just make it to admin once? I don't know where that dead body was. That's the problem. Usually if I hear it, I know where it is. So, keycard. Bro. Yay! Task completed. Admin. Oh, there's some people. Okay. Now we gotta go down. Electrical. Okay. Download. It's gonna take a little while. It says 4 hours. Okay, it's going really fast. This game, they're lying. They're lying. Oh, come on, man. Dude. No, it's not. I didn't. Fine! You know what? I hope they all vote me. I bet you it's Makami Chai or Chi or Chi Chi Chai. That's sad. Okay. They're gonna vote me. I already know. These nuts is dead. Oh god. These nuts is dead. They're gonna vote me, and it's gonna be wrong. Unless they say skip. All me. They made a mistake, guys. It's not me. I told you. I didn't fake a task. I'm just that great. I'm not protect. I'm gay by the... Okay, you know what? You know what? We're gonna finish our tasks. The only thing, if you don't know, if you're a ghost, you still kind of, have to go... See? You have to go to emergency meetings. Me is dead. Not... Disn't. I can't say anything. I can't even make a vote, so yeah. I guess I'll catch you guys when everything's done. We shall. Alright, we're done. They all voted Zyvin or whatever it was. See, these people just don't know how to play. You just have to watch what you're doing. They suck. Not to be mean, but, I mean, I kind of do. Alright, let's do this one. I'm not protecting, especially that immigrant. Oh, come on. Dude, it's you. It's him. It's Makamichi. It's Moran. He is quit. I think he means maroon, but it's actually spelled M-A-R-O-O-N. No, it's not. Ty. I feel bad. It's definitely Makamichi. I just know it for a fact. It's definitely Makamichi, or however you say his darn name. Okay, look at me. Look at that face. It's one of the most beautiful faces. You know, okay. Yay! I don't want my gray color. I don't like it. Yeah, Makamichi. Wait, was it him? Was it white? I'm just gonna say it. Was it white? I didn't see. Oh. Okay, we're not gonna talk on what the person just said. I'm not gonna open that chat again. This game, people can get very mean in this game. Oh. I see. God darn it. Alright. Oh, we have to. Oh. Arena. I probably got kicked. Alright. This game, wanted to let you know, can be very, very violent. Oh. Now again. Phantom, turn oh, sweet. Vent. I have an idea. How about if I vanish? Okay. I'm not the best at this game. Let's see. No. I don't think they know. I probably voted one. I don't think they know. I did that perfectly. They'll probably all vote me because why not? But also, like I wanted to say, this game can get very violent. So just keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. It can get very, very violent. Ah, sweet, nobody voted me. They didn't expect it. But again, it can get very, very violent. Oh, they didn't know. Alright, I have an idea. I'm gonna... I can't vanish and kill because that wouldn't be good. Oh, do the gas task. I want to walk by somebody and kill them. Okay. I didn't kill him, which I feel good about that. Bro. I'm not gonna say anything. Oh crap! I was talking about my dude. No, man. All right, bye, legend. He wasn't too much of a legend. They don't know about me though. There's still 2 imposters, but there's so many people left. All right, I'm following the 1 imposter. I'm gonna vent. Venting. Ooh, that was him. Vent. Oh, come on. Mac dog. Mac? Seriously. I'm voting to skip. Totally not me. I don't know what they mean. It's not me. I just... Drama skew. It's not Mac Dog. Is it? No. It's me and Drama skew. Nah, you guys made a mistake. Not him. Totally not me. What are you guys talking about? It's just clearly not me. I don't know what you... I ain't know what you're talking about. Ah, crap. He's on the security camera. But if I kill him, right, then he won't figure it out. I'm gonna run and kill somebody. They're gonna believe it's me. Not me. I hope they vote me. Or, not me. But I bet you they will. Oh, yeah! Yes! Then, but I feel like they're going to call emergency meeting and know it's me. Can I report dead bodies? Oh, I can. Oh! So if I kill somebody and I can report it, that's awesome. Animals. If I see somebody, I'm just going for the kill, man. Crap, I locked myself in. Actually, no, I didn't. I want to whoop and kill him. Man! I did! This is kind of sad, actually. I am locked. Okay, no, I'm not. Ooh, if he goes to see electrical. Uh-oh. They didn't notice. Wait. There's only 4 people left. If I could do this, oh God. Oh crap. I bet you I can. I believe I can get this. Oh yeah. There's 4 people left. If nobody notices, I can stand next to the body and kill 2 of them in one. Right? 2. But yes, they voted pink. I don't know why they said purple. Or, I don't know. I don't know who it is. It's not me. Vanish. I'm gonna walk on down. They're voting me. Do what? Scammer kid! Yep, there it is. Dude. Dang it. Well. Dang it, man. I had 3 people. Yeah, it was 4. Yay, level 14, or 13. Man, that's kind of sad. Man. Thought I had it too. I knew that was gonna happen. I'm like, oh, they're gonna do it. They're gonna. I knew it. Well. You can stop. Alright, this is gonna be the last round for today. And I know I'm not gonna be the imposter because I already was, and that's kind of sad. Because I had fun being the imposter. I don't know. Ooh. Guess what I'm gonna use? I'm gonna vent. Ooh. Right two. I'm here, so I'll just do it. Use. What am I supposed to do? Oh. Me! Where? Where? Oh my god. Again. I think it's, I don't want to just vote Nugato out because I don't, just in case, because, again, we're making assumptions about people. That's, again, like that one dude said, and he was 100% right. I agreed with him. Why? See, it's not gonna be him. That probably is. Oh my god! Oh yeah, they probably died. Alright, I tried to fix the lights, but I ain't doing it now. I'm right next to him. I think imposter. Just go quick. Whew, done. Okay. I don't have anything. Weapons is over here. What? Dude, stop calling. Why? Why must I vote Guy? I don't even know. I'm not gonna vote him. I'm seriously gonna vote Zyvan. Or Zyvan. I think it's Zyvan. I seriously am going to vote him because I think he's the one that calls the most emergency meetings. I don't know though. I don't know. He's the one who's gotten them right most of the time. But still, like, come on, dude. Of course. Does anybody not pick Zyvan? Oh my god! How? Oh my god! How does this person? He's cheating. I'm right. I'm making a resume for him that he always cheats in Among Us. So if he becomes an astronaut worker, please don't have him become a worker for you. Send. Alright, guys. That's going to be the end of the video. I wanted to try something different, but I hope you liked it. So, I guess I'll talk to you in the next one. Alright, peace.